Hello, my name is Jay Graham. I'm the Director of Product Development here at Marathon Coach. There's 4 individual blind switches here now for the cockpit, what you would use as the cockpit sunshades. So the 2 center ones are the windshield sunshades, and on those sunshades there's actually a 10-inch solid portion that you could use to lower and use it to block the sun. And then the 2 outside buttons control the driver blind and the door blind, and you could use those as they function as privacy at night, but during the day you could drop those shades to use them as a sunshade.
I'm Dave Dalby. I'm the audio video designer here at Marathon Coach, and today we're going to be talking about the on-screen controls of the night shades and day shades. Night shades are a completely light blocking shade for your privacy. Day shades would be the see-through shades that are available for the cockpit front windshield windows. Just choose the window that you would like, whichever one that might be. So we have the main windshield highlighted right now, and we have the ability to run that shade up or run the shade down.